this is Mary with All Things Automotive, bringing you here today a 2022 Ram 2500 Bighorn. This vehicle features a 6.4-liter V8 gasoline engine with four-wheel drive. There have been no accidents or damages reported to CARFAX, and this is a CARFAX certified one-owner vehicle as well. As we get closer here to the front of this 3/4-ton pickup, you'll be able to see that it is a sleek, bright white clear coat with chrome and black accents, as you'll be able to see there on the front grille. We'll come along here to the side of this pickup and take a look at its tires and wheels. This vehicle features chrome 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, and as for the tire treads, you have got a good amount of life left in them. But I'll get you those exact measurements here in just a second, as this vehicle, along with all the other vehicles here at All Things Automotive, has undergone a new multi-point inspection, as well as received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a new engine air filter. So you don't need to worry about replacing any of those anytime soon. Here on the outside of your mirror caps, you do have your turn signal indicators integrated into those, and on the insides on the mirrors, you'll be able to see that these mirrors are heated, which will help to prevent them from fogging up, as well as to help de-ice them in inclement weather. And all along the bottom of this cap, you do have black and chrome running boards to help you get in and out with ease. Behind all of those wheels, you do have small mud guards to help prevent any mud and snow from filling up on your vehicle, but also from anything that might chip away at the paint, like gravel or stone chips. We'll now take a look here to the inside of this pickup. Here on the inside of this vehicle, you do have a lovely diesel gray cloth upholstery on these seats for a smooth and comfortable ride, and you also have those chrome and black accents making their way up the dashboard. While we're looking over here, I'll just open up the glove box and bring you the results of that multi-point inspection that I was talking about. And as you'll be able to see here on this inspection form, you do have green checks the entire way around. And as for your tire treads, you have 9/32 in both your front tires and 7/32 in both your rear tires. And as for your brake pads, you have 10/32 in the front and 11/32 in the rear. So you have a long ways to go before you need to replace any of those wearables. I'd also like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get the original owner's manual with it as well. So if you have any questions after you buy it, you'll be able to look them up in there. We'll now continue around here to take a look at the rear occupant seating. That middle seat does fold up front, so that leaves you with a total of 6 people able to be seated in this vehicle. And I also want to mention you do have a small storage space back here for these rear occupants, as well as 2 cup holders down there on the floor. Over here on the door, all of the doors do have several storage spaces in them, as well as powered windows. I'll just close that door and we'll continue around to take a look here at the rear of this pickup. On the bottom of the rear of this pickup, you do have a pre-installed towbar for a trailer hitch hookup, and you also have a spare tire behind it if you're ever in a pinch. I will just open up the tailgate to show you how much space you have in the rear, and as you'll be able to see right on that tailgate handle, you do have a backup camera as well to help you whenever you're parking or going in reverse. Alright, as you'll be able to see back here, this 3/4-ton pickup does have a sizable bed of over 6 feet, so you've got plenty of space to haul some pretty significant loads. And you also have a spray-in bedliner back here to help protect the bed against any nicks or scratches those loads might give it. I'll just put the tailgate back up, and we'll continue around here to the driver's side. I would like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get 2 keys for your convenience and to help prevent you from ever getting locked out. This pickup does have powered mirrors, powered windows, and powered door locks, and as for the driver's seat, you do have 4-way manual seating adjustments, so you can move the seat forwards backwards and then tilting the seat forward and back. You'll also have a tilting steering wheel, meaning you can move it up and down to fit you as you like. And to the left of that steering wheel, you do have your dashboard backlight controls as well as your headlight controls. I'll now just get in this pickup and turn it on for you. This vehicle is a push-to start. And now that the engine is running and the dashboard's lit up, you'll be able to see that this vehicle has about 45,950 miles on it. We'll take our attention over here to the left side of the steering wheel, as over here are your dashboard navigation buttons. So with these, you can cycle through all the different information and services this vehicle provides to you. And right above those dashboard navigation buttons, you do have your Bluetooth and call controls, as this vehicle does have smartphone integration. And then on the right side of the steering wheel are your cruise controls. We'll now take a look here to the center of this pickup. Here in the center of the vehicle, you do have a lovely touchscreen, LCD display, and I'll just throw it in reverse to show you that backup camera in action. You also have the view straight back, but you can also adjust it to see right underneath that tailgate. Right above that display, you do have a small space and a power outlet. And beneath it, you do have your climate controls. A bit farther down, this pickup does come with an integrated trailer braking controller, your tow haul mode toggle, and electronic stability control toggle, which does help to prevent skidding and sliding. To the left is your electronic gear shift, four-wheel drive shift. And then a bit farther down, you do have two USB and USB-C charging ports, as well as an aux cord plug-in, as well as a fold-out storage space here. A bit farther back, you do have 3 cup holders, your main storage compartment back here with another USB charging port inside. And lastly, like I mentioned earlier, you do have the 6th seat that does fold up. We'll now move on to the last section of this video. Here in the last section of this video, we do want to address that this vehicle is pre-owned, so we'll be looking around for any blemishes, nicks, or stains. We know a lot of our customers come from very far away, so we want you to know what you're getting with the purchase of this vehicle, imperfections and all. So as I look around the inside of this pickup, I do notice a few minor imperfections, such as some discolorations on these seats, as well as a slight scuff there. But other than that, there is nothing standing out to me. There are no odors or scents whatsoever. So we'll continue to take a look here now at the outside of this pickup. Again, we'll be looking up and down for any of those imperfections, starting by coming along here to the front. And here along the front of this vehicle, you do have several nicks, most likely from stone chips. Stone chipping is extremely common. Almost every vehicle has some form of it. The only way you can really prevent it is just by not driving your vehicle. This vehicle is also a lighter color, so it does tend to show a little more than a darker color might. Come along here to the passenger side. Somewhere right behind that rear wheel as well. And we'll come along here now to the rear. Back here you do have a significant chip out of the rear. We did touch it up, but it is still there. And a scuff there. Now often on pickups where I do tend to see several imperfections is on the top of the tailgate, as people don't take care of putting items in and taking items out. And as they take a look here, that is the case for this pickup. You do have several nicks and scratches on top of that, as well as several nicks in that bed as well. And we'll just put the tailgate back up, and we'll continue around here back to the driver's side. Several nicks behind the wheel and a scuff. One as well near that gas cap. A few more along the driver's side here. And we are back to where we started. That generally concludes this video vehicle tour. This vehicle has a lot of great features to offer. If you're interested in a white 3/4 ton crew pickup with the ability to seat 6, a good amount of space in the bed with a spray-in bedliner, rear backup camera, pre-installed tow bar, a spare tire, 2 keys, black and chrome running boards, heated mirrors, smartphone integration, cloth upholstery, and 4-wheel drive, this is a good option for you. If you're interested in this vehicle, come and check it out at All Things Automotive, located at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, PA. Or you can give us a call at 717-485-4224. You can also check out this crew pickup and other listings on our website at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.